Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials. This speeds entry. Check your boarding pass for airline lounge access, or verify priority pass, credit card, or airline status before you leave home. Once done, open the mobile ticket and membership app so QR codes load fast. Print a backup if you prefer. Make sure your government ID is handy for ID matching at reception, because lounges will verify identity and travel details before entry. When you arrive at the airport, head straight to the terminal and follow signage or ask staff for the lounge location. This saves time. At reception, hand over your boarding pass, photo ID, and proof of membership or paid entry. They'll scan or validate them. Once validated, they'll tell you permitted entry time and facilities, so ask about showers, Wi-Fi, and power outlets. If seating is limited, staff can advise waiting areas or alternate lounges you can use. Enter, claim a seat near a charger, and stow carry-ons where allowed so you can relax. This also keeps walkways clear. Log into lounge Wi-Fi and set flight alerts on your phone. That way you won't miss boarding calls. If you're told you cannot enter, stay calm. Ask for the specific reason, show any overlooked proof, and request to speak with the airline desk or lounge manager. This often resolves eligibility or timing misunderstandings quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.